So my name's Callum Ross. I work for KAESER Kompressoren and I'm Business Development Manager for Food and Pharma. So I work for KAESER Kompressoren and we make compressed air solutions for all industries really, and including the pharmaceutical industry. And we're based in Germany, in Bavaria, in the north of the state. So my presentation was really split in two halves. So the first half was really trying to educate people on compressed air in the pharmaceutical industry. So what might be interesting for the customers and why they should care about it. For example, how much energy compressed air consumes is really a lot, and this was the first half. And the second half was really how you can go about changing a compressed air station in the pharmaceutical industry. Personally, as a gold sponsor, it gives a lot of benefits. I think from before the event started, the organization, the personal manager who brings over customers and makes sure not only customers, but it's a really valuable interaction and not just for no reason, you know. Otherwise, we also have a really nice place in the hall, and we get to see everyone, and we part of the gala dinner. And personally, the most important is the fact that we can present and talk about our solutions and our topics in the industry. Based in the pharmaceutical industry, we're always trying to adapt and improve our solutions. A good example at the moment would be aligning our digital solutions and our hardware solutions with the pharmaceutical industry to help with increasing regulatory burdens and increased challenges in qualification in the pharma industry. I think it's really great. Personally, in the pharma industry, I would say the smaller but really precise and meaningful conferences are much better than really big ones, because you actually have the correct people in the room, both from the vendor side and the end user side. It's a good question. I think personally, a lot of people might say sustainability or digitalization. I think this is true, but also globalization. So especially big pharma, they have so many different sites all over the world, and trying to coordinate and be efficient is really a challenge. I think the solution is firstly open communication between different countries and sites, but also between pharma companies, and also between the suppliers and the pharma company. Maria was really great, I would say, from before the event, through the event, always helping us and keeping us up to date on what's going on, making sure we're in touch with the correct people, coordinating us throughout. So it was a really good experience.